Welcome to School of Fab. How's it going? Here we got 1968, 69. I don't know. Looks like it's 69 to me. New project in the shop. And all we're doing a couple of finish the deletes on the fenders and on the rear. We are going to make a rocker for it, so that'll be interesting. As you see, it's not flat and straight. It's got a nice little curve, so we'll have to match it. Of course, we're going to delete this, the gas door, because we're not going to need it anymore. You see the front suspension's already been made, put in. Someone welded this, and I'll come in here clean it up.
Well, so this bug kind of has a little bit of a backstory, y'all. We asked him what the name was, and he calls her the curse.
The
So
curse.
we're not gonna call her that while she's here in the shop with us. I absolutely refuse.
Curse. Ooh.
I said we're gonna call her blessing while she's here. And so this thing has been to like several different places and many different hands, and she needs a little cleanup work.
Things really nice. So he's headed in the right direction. So we have to make it match the attitude. Hope you guys enjoy it. We do have to get rid of this lip also, pinch weld, whatever you want to call it. So a little bit of fabrication there. When we cut it, we'll cut it in sections and then weld, cut it, weld. It'll be fun. It'll be a nice project. Hope you guys enjoy the curse, aka
AK
the
the
blessing.
blessing.
Yeah, it's gonna leave out of here with the halo. I've got the trunk and the hood being in the front and the trunk being in the back. I'm gonna install those just to make sure everything stays lined up. I don't want anything to move on me.
Yeah, he brought a few extra parts, huh?
Yeah, I'll have to figure out what's still usable and what's not. I could always use something. Pretty exciting. I guess I'm gonna start by installing my trunk and hood. Oh, I gotta blow it out too. It's pretty clean, but there's a few leaves and dust.
Excuse me.
Easy now. Ain't that much dust.
It just hit me out of nowhere.
This is the curse, that's why. I gotta adjust this door. But before I do that, I need a number 3 screwdriver. Come on,
Ooh, field trip?
field trip it is. This side opens up nice, and that one's getting caught. See, there's a lot of dirt in the doors where it's been sitting. So here is my idea so far. I gotta cut this out to get the full view. I think it just might work. I wonder if we can get creative here. In order to get the full experience, I must cut this pinch weld out, which in the plans we were going to cut it out anyways. So what I'll do is I'll cut the section I need out, and that'll give me an idea of how much separation. Will it separate at all? Will it be easy to weld? We're about to find out. If I trim this, I'll get some of this, I don't know, silicone off, paint, whatever it is. Then we have a high spot right here too, so I might tap it. It really needs to be shrank maybe. But hopefully it moves. It's all good. Where's my hammer? Here's one. Let me grab a dolly. The heel dolly. So I don't want it coming out this way. Well, it went down some, but not much. Not as much as we need it to go down. I'm gonna cut that out. Actually, what I don't like about the back is I didn't box it in. I didn't leave enough, so I'm gonna have to cut a strip out. It's about to get interesting. I need four total, 4 inches to make my rocker. What did I say, 56? I'll do 57. Yeah, 60 is gonna be my final. 60. There it is. Okie dokie. So what's going on here is I'm basically marking my lines of where my rockers would be. And I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Because here's the deal. If I break these and use my shrinker to get the curve I need, no problem, right? Well, when I bend my second curve for the underside and I shrink it also so I can fit it up there, it's going to be square, and I don't want it to be square. I want it to have a little bit of roundness to it. So what I'm going to do is make my lines where my rockers are going to be. I'll set something around here, and I'll try to fold my sheet metal around it, see if it works. I've never attempted it, but I've only got one thing in mind that might work. Let's get creative. Okay, that should be enough. Now to see what I've got. See if it works. Look what I found. An empty bottle. So, I will lay this on line number 2. And then I will attempt to bend my metal. Now, okay. Might have to bite the big one on this one and ask for help. Bait. She ain't even hearing me. I need your help trying to.
I have my headphones on.
Yo.
I could not hear you. 2 seconds while I'm covered in dirt.
Alright, I need to try to roll this metal.
Okay.
On this, so can you hold?
Alright. So you're trying to roll them like a taco?
Mm-hmm. Hold it there. And now hold it on this side. And basically, I want
I think I got a ugly bend right there.
Yeah. Okay, let's not use those no more then. And then keep going. Let's use their knees. Yep. And then we'll try to push over. I'm stuck. Okay, let me get caught up to you. Okay, I think that's good. I think that is good, good, good. I just need 8 inches of nice round.
What are you working on right now?
The rockers. But see, what I was saying is, like this rocker, I could make it no problem. The only problem that I'm having with it is if I make it and bend it and bend it, it's gonna look square, and I don't want it to look square. So now I'll have a little bit of a curve, and when I bend it this way, it'll still have a slight curve in it.
Hey, you're schooling me.
I
I'm over here just
hope.
blocking today. I got
All right.
heavy work on the other side. So when y'all hear the that's me.
All right, that's good. Perfect. Let me put this back. I had it in the front because it's empty, and I need to take it to get refilled. Imagine if it's full, that would have been awful. Let's cut. Okay. Don't give up on me. It's working well. You guys know a spray bottle that holds wax and grease remover. I can literally buy one a week sometimes. 4.5 plus 4.5 equals 9. 9. Very good. Okay, here it is. 3 felt tip pins. Let's see how long it takes to lose these. Okay. Let's see how to cut this big slice straight. Without messing it up. Don't look sketchy, does it? It looks sketchy to me. Maybe I'll try to stand it up. Be my best bet. But looking at that cut, you would have thought I had a 6-foot shear. Look at that. Man. Okay, one down, one more to go. I'm going to go ahead and mark them up and get them ready to bend exactly where we need them. Okay. I'm feeling very confident with my mock-up rocker. Let's start fresh. Let me get my paint in it. Okay, and we're back. So remember, making 2 and 1 just in case. A secret I'll share with y'all is my square, the small, the foot one. I believe the small arm is 1 inch exactly. Man, wouldn't lie to you folks. So what we're gonna do is use that, or you can use a ruler or the tape measure, doesn't matter. All that matters is that that's 1 inch. Very nice. There they are. Now next to the brake.